Hello students, after you sign in to Clever, you're going to scroll down the page and you're going to look for a section titled Assessments. Click on Eduforia Students. After you do that, Clever will sign you in to Eduforia and you will look for the assessment that you are taking that day. Click on 4th grade math sample test for this example. In this section here, you're going to have a calculator on the top row, as well as changing the color or the theme. You also have the ability to zoom in and zoom out. Directly below that, you have your reference materials that you can reference. On the top right, you have the ability to add a note. It'll automatically save. You also have a question guide, so you can see all of your questions that you have unanswered and answered, and any questions that are flagged for review. You also have the exit button up here on the top right as well. If you need this to be read, you will see a little speaker. You press that and it'll read it to you.
What is 2 plus 2? 0. 4. Minus 4. 3.
Text-to-speech is only available for select students. In a reading assessment, text-to-speech is only available for questions and answer choices. The passage will not be read. Also, in other assessments such as science, math, or social studies, text-to-speech is not available for graphs, charts, or images. And then directly below that, you see all of your answer choices. All you have to do is select an answer choice, just like that. If you want to deselect everything, you can click on Clear All. If you want to eliminate any of your answers, you click on the minus sign on the right-hand side of the screen. And you can go ahead and hit select the answer. You'll see that the answer was saved and recorded. If for whatever reason the program kicks you out or the internet goes out, your last question will be saved and you can return to this assessment later. To move to the next question, click the next question on the bottom. When you're ready to review and submit, you press the Review and Submit button on the bottom right, review your questions, and then submit to score.